Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial I will show you this amazing add-on called Delta Quad. This add-on is a specialized Blender add-on designed to streamline the conversion of n-gon faces into clean quad-based topology. Let's try it. Here we have in our scene the default cube. Tap into edit mode. You should enable that add-on edit and preferences, then enable your add-on. Go over here. Let's select the cube, go over here, just right click, then Delta Quad. It's gonna be showing this drop down menu of Delta Quad add-on. Can play around with the size and the sharp angle as shown here, so let's decrease it just like this. And as you can see here, it's going to be changing the subdivision or subdivision of this default cube as shown here. So let's try it with n-gons and another mesh. In this case, let's add a plane, for example. Tap to edit mode like this. I'm going to be using the knife tool, for example, to cut through this section. Right click, then go over here to the bottom, click on Delta Quad, and as you can see, that's pretty amazing. It's gonna be making our mesh a clean quad based topology, and that's pretty amazing. As you can see here, you can change the number by playing with the value of the size as shown here, and you can see the changes in the quad based topology in real time as shown here. So let's increase it just like this as shown in our tutorial. And that's it. I hope you learned something new. Try this add-on. You can see the link in description. Thanks for watching.